What caught your attention? 'Tis not your first time here. Is your memory truly that bad? I do recall someone entering my bedchamber with Jazz's aid while I was bathing. You did not see anything? My words couldn't have implied that. Tis not something to fret about. This is not the first nor the last time. I am already used to it. Well, it's still somewhat. What is this? A tincture? I have no use for it. It's not that I do not believe you, dear gardener. All right. I shall try it. Should I lie down? Understood. My clothes. Will this suffice? Yes. Let's get started. Is everything ready? You aren't gentle in the slightest. I hope you're not trying to avenge yourself. This will do. The effect of the medicine. I don't feel it. The herbs in the basement. I doubt their potency would be more effective. I suggest you stop. There is no medicine in the Tower of Thorns. Or rather, no medicine that worked for me. Before, I cannot recall. For why I was punished or how I recovered, it escapes my memory. However, I do remember this. If there truly exists a remedy for me, then I might have already found it.